Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a little bit different than what I've been doing. It's still a product review, but I ordered something online because I got an email and I was like, oh, okay, I need it. Where's my wallet? So it's actually by the brand Sol de Janeiro. I think that's how you say it, or Sol de Janeiro, whatever. But this is the Brazilian Bum Bum Cream and I love it. This is an unopened one. I have an opened one that I put in my purse. I have one that I travel with. I have one in my work bag at work. I have the Boom Boom Spray, the chapstick. Those are in my work bag, in my work locker. I have the body wash and the travel body wash as well. I love this stuff. It's so good. It makes your skin so soft. It smells amazing. It smells indescribable, really. It smells like the most delicious dessert you've ever smelled before. But this brand, they make my favorite of all time body care. They top like Bath and Body Works and anything else. Well, firstly, I ordered this and they redid the Coco Cabana cream. Oh my god. So before, it smelled atrocious. And I don't want to be mean to the brand. I love this brand. But when they said coconut, like, I love coconut. And that one smelled like the taste of buttered popcorn jelly beans. Like, it smelled like the taste of that. If you know what I mean, then you know what I mean. And that one just smelled atrocious. It was just absolutely disgusting. Well, this one right here, oh my god, it smells so good now. I've already used a bunch of it and I got it, I want to say 4 or 5 days ago. So this is how much I've already used of it. Oh. It still smells like kind of buttery, but it like coconutty, like it smells like toasted coconut with like a buttery pound cake, and it's just delicious. And god, it's amazing. You guys need to get this. If you like coconut and you like having smooth skin, you need this. You need it now. I really want to pick up the spray for it, and I wish that they would make a body wash for this one too, because I already love this body wash. It's amazing. It makes your skin so soft. Even my husband loves this. He uses this as well. Yeah, and it's already half gone and we just got it. It smells so good. Well, there's something else I ordered and I'll get to that, but I will say with this one, it leaves your hands kind of sticky. It's kind of a gel formula, not like the regular Bum Bum cream. Well, it's actually, I think it's pronounced Boom Boom cream, but it's spelled Bum Bum. It smells so good. But this is what this one looks like. This one's like a body butter, and then the Coco Cabana cream, that one is like a watery jelly, like, I don't know. I think they actually redid the formula on the actual texture as well. But I like this one a lot better than the other one. The other one, I couldn't handle the smell. It just wasn't my cup of tea. And I know a lot of other people that like the old one, but I'm so glad that they listened to their customers, because that one is nothing compared to the new one. So again, if you've smelt the old one, then you know what I mean by buttery popcorn jelly bean, and you need to get this one if you like coconut. So with this one, yeah, you just have to like wipe your hands off after using it. Otherwise, it just gets so sticky and weird on just your hands, not your body, just your hands. So definitely pick this one up. For the exciting part though, they sent me an email. And actually, I'll pull up the email so that I can like share the information with you guys, so I actually have it. And this is just like a dedicated video to this brand and like what they just came out with. Not sponsored. They don't know me. You know, I just started my channel, so I really love the brand, and I wanted to do a review on this. Well, one thing that they just came out with, and I'm mad because I didn't see it until after I made my order. They came out with a candle. A big candle in this scent. In this scent. Oh, I need it. I need it now. I love candles. But that one's $48. I'm waiting for a sale because I'm not spending $48 on a damn candle. Just saying. That's not happening. Let's see. Where is this? I hope they didn't take it off their site already. I know it was limited edition. Oh my god, guys. It's already off their site, so this is gone. By the time I put this up, it's already gone. So I'm actually just gonna try to search so I can give you guys accurate information. I think it's a pretty exciting thing. Okay, so it's called Project Cheirosa, and it's whatever this thing has in it. The Cheirosa, I don't know what Cheirosa is, but it's called Project Cheirosa. In Brazil, Cheirosa means you smell incredibly delicious. Okay, I guess that's what Cheirosa means. This is our inspiration for our special edition Soul Scent Sampler. I've never seen them come out with this. It says first come, first scent. So I guess they had pretty limited quantities. Yeah, it says limited quantities for this special offer. Get all 5 scents for $15. So yeah, it was only $15. And I think they're all just an ounce each. But as soon as I saw it, I was like, whoop, I need it. Here's the box. I don't want to show my address. But here's the box right here. I already cut it open. And then right away, there's a shipping receipt. Nothing special on it. Let's see. So grabbing the first one. Huh, that's weird. It looks like it was kind of leaking. I don't know if you guys can see it. Oh, I don't know if you can see it, but it's kind of like crusted down the side. This is number 5. Should we just go in order? I think they're all labeled, so number 1, 4. And I haven't smelled these yet. I waited to show these on camera. And then 3. Okay. Bubble wrap in a box. That's it. Alrighty. I hope these smell good. I hope I like them all. Because if I don't, that's going to suck. Alright. I'm just going to take this shipping receipt and use it to spray the spray on it. This is number 1. This is what it looks like. It just says Project Cheirosa fragrance number 1. And it is 1 fluid ounce like I thought. Ooh. I'm gonna douse the paper some more. Oh, this one smells like, it smells like a combination of the new Coco Cabana with a hint of the Boom Boom cream. It's very sweet. It smells like toasted coconut and like, ooh, that smells really good. It does smell like it has a lot of alcohol in it though, which the Boom Boom scented, excuse me, the Boom Boom scented spray, that one doesn't smell like alcohol very strong or anything like that. Not that I've noticed. That smells good. I really like that one. So that one's a win for me. Alright, we're going to go in number 2. It's a pinky color. Oh my god. This smells like something I know. It smells good. It smells like a perfume I have. It smells like, oh my god. It smells like the So Sexy perfume from Victoria's Secrets. Like exactly, dead on. Are they trying to like rip off Victoria's Secrets? I see you, Sol de Janeiro. I see you. Yeah, it smells exactly like So Sexy. If you've never smelled that before, it's like sweet and it's got like some warm tones to it. I really don't know how to describe perfume very well, but it smells like that one. Yeah, it smells really good. So that one's another win for me. I think it smells amazing. All right, we're gonna go in with number 3. It's just green. Kind of dry off the alcohol a little bit because I'm not trying to burn off my nostril hairs. Oh my god, you guys. I can't make this up. This smells exactly like Warm and Cozy from Victoria's Secrets, the pink collection. Dead on. It smells just like it. They're trying to copy Victoria's Secrets. That's like exactly the same. And I love that scent too. So that's another win. I'm okay with it. I'll use these. I'll put these in my purse or my work bag or whatever. They smell really good. So, you know, I'm not mad. And $15, that makes them $3 each because there's 5 of them. So $3 for an ounce, you know, that's not bad for Sol de Janeiro since they're really expensive, really pricey. I mean, this body wash, this one is 13 fluid ounces and it retails for $25. Completely worth it, but that's beside the point. All right, this is number 4, blue. Again, kind of shake it away so I don't burn my nostril hairs off. Okay, this one smells kind of citrusy. It smells like something else I know. I can't put my finger on it, but by the way, if any of you guys have this and ordered it, let me know what you think about the smells. Because I love perfume. I have a lot of perfume. This smells like something I know. It's kind of citrusy, but it's also kind of deep. Like it smells like a mature kind of fragrance. But it smells good. I don't know what that smells like, but it smells like something familiar. All right. So for the last one, this one's purple. Really cute. Cheirosa number 5. I just drenched that paper. Thanks for the packing slip. I got paper to spray on. Reduce, reuse, recycle. Ooh. Oh my god, that smells like something I know too. These are all very familiar scents. Like, these just like kind of bring me back. Mainly bring me back to stuff that I'd wear as a teenager, but that's okay. You know what this smells like though? This smells like secret deodorant. I'm not even kidding. This one smells like Secret deodorant. They're trying to rip off Secret deodorant too. I kid though. Like, please don't sue me. Yeah, that's what it smells like. It smells like Secret deodorant. It smells very fresh, very clean. I do like it. It smells like the Secret deodorant I used to use when I was first going through puberty. It smells like kind of like the powder fresh one mixed with the pear one. If you know what I'm talking about, you know what I'm talking about. Okay, those smell really good. I'm actually really happy. There's none of them that I hated. All of them smell like something I would wear. So I think they pretty much came out with these just to see the feedback they would get and see if people would actually like them. Maybe they did that because this one flopped so hard when they first launched it. Like, nobody wants to smell like a buttered popcorn jelly bean. That's just my opinion. But, you know. You can smell this through the jar, by the way. Ugh, I love this stuff. Seriously, get the new one. Yeah, so I think overall they're a hit. I think, you know, if they made any of these into like permanent fragrances or like lotions or body cares, I think people will buy them. Especially because it has their name on it and they make such good product. So again, let me know what you guys think. It's just kind of a short little video. I like them. Alright guys, see you in the next one. Bye.